Today I'm going to be working on the 2006 Chevy Impala, and what we're going to be doing is replacing the front springs and struts. And what I noticed was that the space between the top of the tire and the fender was pretty low. And when you compare it to this one over here, you can see there's a lot bigger space. So then, once I saw that, I took a look at the spring, and what I saw was, let's see if you can see that, just it looks broken. We'll get a better look at it once I get that out of there. So watch as I replace the front springs and struts on this. Alright, well, we're just going to speed this along so you don't have a long video to watch. See if this Alright, so we got this one bolt up here. And I better get a glove on because that thing's probably still hot. Alright. Hello! Don't kill me. Oh. This thing. Look at this thing. I'm gonna go get rid of this thing. But before I do, I'm going to mark the new one. We need to turn the wheel that way, left turn a little bit. Keep going. All right, let's try there. But then, if I stand on this, can I get it in there? Is it anywhere close?
Yeah.
Hammer. Now I can send it hopefully in. Put the other one in.
Same side.
See? Told you.
Guess you're good for something.
Yeah, now I need you to stick around to do the other side.
No, I leaving. But now you know what you need to do, though.
Yeah, I have two people.
I don't think you do.
All right, well, I'm going to tighten everything up and jack it up, pull the jack stand out, and put the tire on, tighten it up. So you pretty much do the same thing for the other side. So honestly, I feel like it's pretty easy. And you should probably, now that there's new springs, have it aligned, bring it to your favorite alignment shop, have them check the alignment on it. I'm sure things have changed over time, especially with a vehicle this old. So, thanks for watching. Again, I used Rock Auto for these struts, and they came preloaded, like with the spring already on there, so I didn't have to mess around with that. You can get springs and struts separate if you want. Thanks for watching. Well, that's it. Make sure you tighten up the top ones after it's on the ground and there's weight on it.